Albert Einstein is often credited with saying if the bee disappeared off the face of the earth, man would only have 4 years left to live. Although there's no evidence that the genius actually said this, the sheer existence of this thought has got many to believe that if bees didn't exist, humans wouldn't either. The truth is, bees are crucial elements of our environment and almost never get the credit that they deserve. Here's why bees are important. Bees play a vital role in the global food supply, pollinating crops which feed 90% of the world's population. The population of honeybees alone has been declining rapidly, with a drop of a massive 89% between 2007 and 2016, and this has sparked worries of bees staring at extinction. Without bees, farmers would have trouble producing staple foods such as fruits and vegetables, as well as cotton, another essential product the bees pollinate. According to the US Department of Agriculture, human beings have bees to thank for every 1 in 3 bites of food consumed. Believe it or not, bees also pollinate 80% of the world's plants, which will struggle to grow without them. Amazingly, a single bee colony can pollinate 300 million flowers each day. Bees are under threat worldwide. This is for a number of reasons, the main one being a loss of natural habitat due to farming and urbanization. Climate change and the use of pesticides and fertilizers are other big factors. A global study in February 2019 found all insects on the planet are declining by 2.5% each year. If this continues, the Earth may not have any insects at all by the year 2119. John Usher, an expert on bee taxonomy at the National University of Singapore, estimates that in India alone there are 719 species of bees, 300 of which are endemic, that is, they are native to the country and found only in India. So what would happen if there were no bees left? If all the bees died, it would cause widespread hardship and possibly famine. This is because a lot of the foods we regularly consume wouldn't be available anymore. Apart from the obvious one, honey, some nuts and beans and fruits and vegetables like avocados, apples, berries, grapefruit, melons, broccoli, cucumbers and snap peas would also disappear forever. Conventional and alternative medicines that humans use could also be lost as they are derived from flowering plants. Fresh water will start drying up as well, as there will be less trees for water retention to occur. With less water and diminishing food, humans will die of thirst and starvation. Fertility would also suffer a setback, followed by a drop in the rate of reproduction. Ultimately, we wouldn't be able to sustain and would be forced into extinction within a few hundred years. So what is being done to protect bees? In 2017, 75 scientists from all around the world, including India, drafted a status assessment report on pollinators and food production. This panel was put together to provide policymakers and decision makers with relevant information for conserving and sustainable agriculture. In the United States, the Environmental Protection Agency has banned the use of pesticides linked to bee deaths. Similar bans have also been introduced in Europe. The fact remains that our survival depends on the health of the planet and its species, and unless we begin to face this fact, we will continue to contribute to our own demise. Unless we take drastic measures to save the bees, the planet's survival is in doubt. Thank you for watching this report. Such videos, keep watching My Nation.